want to do a quick unboxing video. Notice we have a much larger box that this box came in, but this is the Foronetry Cybertruck Underscreen storage box. What I think is nice about their packaging, first off, is they always have a nice little graphic picture of what it is, and again, they package one box inside of another, and their items are well packaged, well thought out, I think. So inside of here, we have these screen storage box instructions. Looks like it's a single piece unit, and if we look through these instructions, looks pretty simple. The top part, so this part here comes apart in the middle, as you can see either side, wraps around the screen, then you just kind of simply clip it together and lock it into place. So with that, it shouldn't be too difficult to take this out. Here, take a look and see what we've got. Again, some more packing material in here. And then the actual device itself looks to be nicely made. I'll set it here on top of the box. You can see the two arms that would go on either side come up at the top and click together to wrap over the screen. Nice kind of padded, grippy sort of rubber texture here. So let's take this out and put it into the truck. Actually, before placing it in the truck, I thought maybe I would just show how these two pieces go together. So it's pretty simple. This piece here will come over and latch and catch into that opening, and then you simply pull this down to lock it into place. And there you go. And then you just, obviously this is resting on the back of the screen and holds the whole piece underneath it. And again, to undo it, you would click in here. You can take it apart and remove it at any time. So again, seems to be pretty well thought out. We're going to give this a try in the truck. Okay, sorry, one more thing about this item that I just noticed in looking it over, figuring that, like, okay, this is going to be facing the back of the screen and likely touching the back of your screen. What about this thing rattling or making some noise? And I noticed here, it's a nice little addition. There's a little rubber pad here on the lip where it rests, and then there's, I don't know how well you can see it because it's black on black, but there's a little rubber strip here as well too. So both on this side and on this side, now maybe you can see that rubber strip here, there is a little rubber strip to, again, help keep that from chattering around. So again, very nicely finished product, thought out in terms of potential issues with any noise, etc. So now I'm going to take this and get it out in the truck. Okay, one more thing in that same theme. I'll just show you that there are these rubber strips attached here along the back side, here along the bottom. Again, wherever this is kind of resting up against the dash and fitting in, it does have that sort of padding again to help keep it quiet. There's actually a little piece here that I think if you wanted to pull that back through, that helps hold this rubber mat in place. So the rubber mat that picks up isn't going to slide out because it's clipped in here as well too. So again, just a few more details about this piece, and again, appears to be very well made. All right, here we are for the installation of the Foronetry Underscreen storage box. Go ahead, as you can see, you just simply slide it up. There's an arm on one side and arm on the other that you'll reach over behind back here and clip together.
Installation in a different Cybertruck from the Halo Cybertruck, the storage box does not work with tilt and swivel screens.
And once clipped, it is all in place. Nice padding inside, and of course there's padding around all the pieces. What do you think?
I think it's great. It's awesome. I love it.
Great, awesome.
Very
Thanks
nice.
for Foronetry for supplying this underscreen storage box. This is Tesla Ken.